So guys, as you can tell, War Wagon is back together. She has been fixed. We ended up losing compression in cylinder number 5 last time we raced to Carolina, but thanks to 3D Racing Engines, they got it fixed for us, and we are back on track, and we're planning on racing Carolina this Friday, weather permitting. Now with that out of the way, I am super excited to tell you guys that I am going to, here in like the next little bit, going to go pick up our decals for the car. As you know, we've been running the duct tape. It's gotten kind of old now, having to peel those off and whatnot, but the graphics are done. I can't thank Justin Starnes enough for what he's done and working with me throughout the whole process. Now, we did not wrap the car. We did not choose to wrap the car just due to finances, so we just did like little simple decals like this one up here, but it has all of our sponsors on it, our car number, and I'm pretty excited to show you guys what they look like. So with that being said, guys, we're gonna go ahead and jump right into the video. All right, you guys, so look at what I have in the passenger seat. I can't thank Justin Starnes enough for his work on these decals and whatnot, and getting them to me and explaining how to put them on. And I think next time I'll just get him to install them because that sounded tough. But anyways, I'm headed back to the shop. I'm going to eat some lunch real quick when I get home, and then we'll get started on the decals. It's 1 o'clock right now, so I kind of want to get a move on. Okay, so I am going to start with the numbers because I feel like those are going to be the hardest. I'm just going to kind of clean up the surface here with just a little paper towel. Justin was kind enough to give me a quick little rundown on how to do this. Now in the 45-minute ride that took me to get back home, I've pretty much forgotten that, what he told me, but I kind of have an idea of what he was saying. So I appreciate him taking the time to explain to me how to do this. Now he also installs decals, but I figured I would want to try it with my numbers just to see if I could do it. And he was even nice enough to label which number goes where. So this one's the right side, the left side sitting in the seat over there, and the roof sitting on the roof. Because I guess people like put these on the wrong sides, but anyways. He was nice enough to do that so I didn't mess it up, so he pretty much Andrew-proofed it, which is fantastic. So I'm going to go ahead and take this up and make sure it's level, and then I guess we will see what happens. Hello.
Oh, hey!
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to scare you.
Have a wonderful day.
You too. Okay, so I feel like I could have done a lot worse. The graphics went on pretty easily. There was a few air bubbles I worked out like right in here, but thanks to the good old squeegee here, they're actually coming out pretty easy. So pretty happy with that. My first big decal install, I guess. So we'll keep it going on this side. I'm gonna do the HM Northcut next, which is right here, and then the Anderson Hydro platforms up here. So, lessons learned from this side, because I'm not going to be able to film the other side because of how close the car is to the wall over there. I just won't be able to get in there. I tried to get it level as I could, but honestly, now that I look at this, I should have moved the 30 back a little bit more, or laid everything out to start with. I'm not that worried about it because it's so late in the season. Really, I just need decals on here. So this one was by far the hardest, mainly because of like this like swoopy thing it's got going on here. Oh well, again, I'm not that worried about it. We're already late for getting our decals put on the race car because of financial issues and whatnot, but I'm gonna go ahead and get the other side done, and then I'll check back in with you guys. Now, to fill up some space, I'm going to take the Star Graphics logos that Justin gave me, and I'm gonna just install them about right here on either side, so that way it takes up some of the space, because I gave him too big of measurements for this Anderson now that I look at it, and which is my fault. I mean, I'm not upset about it, but next time we know, go a little bit smaller, and we'll see how that goes. So the graphics are done. I'm going to give you guys a quick little flyby here, and you guys can check that out. You can definitely tell I have never installed graphics before, especially that size. I do want to say a quick thank you to Justin Starnes for getting this done. He was excellent to work with, excellent customer service, excellent prices, so I highly recommend him at Star Graphics. But yeah, so we are going to race Friday is the game plan. Weather permitting, it has been kind of stormy and iffy lately, but hopefully it'll be cleared up by Friday. So yeah, that's pretty much all I'm going to do for this video. I want to say a quick shout out to our Patreon supporters. Thank you guys for what you do and your continued support. And that's all I have for this video. So yeah, I guess I will see you guys Friday, but that's all for this video, and yeah, I can't think of anything else. I feel like there's more announcements, but I don't have them. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching the video, and as always, we will see you in the next video.